The following segment is sponsored by Northern Nevada Health System.
We are here with Sarah Trinajstitch. She is a clinical dietitian with Northern Nevada Health System, talking about protein and how much protein we need. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
So how much protein do we need? What's recommended?
Yeah, so it's pretty individualized, but a general recommendation for the average adult is about a third to a half of your body weight in pounds. So, for example, for a 150-pound person, that would be about 50 to 75 grams of protein per day. Okay. So you'd split that amongst each of your meals.
All right. So how much is like a chicken breast, would you say?
Yeah.
Break that down.
That's a great question. So a visual indicator would be looking at a piece of meat and imagining a deck of cards. So a piece of meat that's about the size of a deck of cards is about 20 grams of protein.
Oh, wow. So if you get a big ribeye steak, that could be 4 decks of cards right there.
Yeah. You'd probably meet your whole day in that one stick. Yeah.
Good. Okay. That's a good measurement.
But it's better to break it up into smaller amounts.
Unless you're starving like I always am. All right. What are some creative protein sources somebody can use to reach their daily protein goals? We just talked about a steak. What are some more creative ways?
Yeah. So when we think about protein, a lot of people think of meat or dairy or eggs, which are other good sources. But there's also plant sources like whole grains. So things like brown rice, oats, farro, quinoa. And those are a good way to kind of round out a meal and add some grams of protein as well. And the nuts and seeds. So things like peanut butter.
So, Sarah, why is protein such an important part of your diet?
So it helps with satiety. So it can help keep us full longer so we're not getting hungry every couple of hours. And it helps build and repair muscle. So if you're looking to add some lean muscle mass to your body, proteins are a really important thing to have in your diet.
Okay. And for more on the guidelines and everything you need to know about this subject, just go to our website, mynews4.com.